bird. Okay, Kel is getting ready to change out the bird cage today. And they are so happy. Go ahead, Kel.
There?
Yeah. I'm gonna keep smoothing it out. And look at these guys. They happy to be cared for. They love Markel. Hey guys. You can put more than that in there. Oh. Smooth it out. Yeah. Okay. It's all smooth in the corners. Make sure the corners, yes. Good. They're so cute. Thanks for caring for me. You got it?
Oh.
Push it in. That's okay. Okay. So, Kel, you want to give some encouragement for today?
Yes.
Okay, what's your encouragement?
Has your courage?
Have courage? Yes, have courage. That is great. Be strong, be capable, and unstoppable. Have a great day.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bird. Okay, Kel is getting ready to change out the bird cage today. And they are so happy. Go ahead, Kel.
There?
Yeah.